Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pellets for smoking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bear Mountain Premium Barbecue All-Natural Hardwood Mesquite Barbecue Smoker. High heat, lots of thin blue smoke, minimal ash and a good range of flavors has made Bear Mountain our go-to pellets for smoking. There's no fillers, binders, or bark, creating a perfectly clean smoke every time. And we've found them to be consistent when it comes to their 5% moisture target, resulting in pellets that don't clog the auger while putting out a nice hot heat that's also great for grilling. Bear Mountain are upfront with what's in their pellets, stating that they do contain alder or oak as a base wood. But, in our opinion, that's not a bad thing. Oak and alder burn consistently, which helps to create reliable heat and smoke levels, regardless of the variety chosen. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cookin' Pellets Perfect Mix Natural Hardwood Hickory. They don't look like anything fancy. But, don't be fooled, there's nothing budget about what's in these pellets. Cookin' Pellets are one of our favorite smoking pellets because they are 100% what they say they are. No added oak or alder to pad it out, no bark, no fillers, no oils, and no binders. Just 100% whatever wood it says it is on the front of the pack. They've been a top seller for years and perform consistently in terms of flavor, smoke and burn time. Just be aware that because they are pure and don't contain any oak or alder, the temperature and smokiness is going to vary depending on what type of wood you buy. In general, we find that they don't get quite as hot as Traeger. But, the flavor is better. At the end of the day, they're a great choice for anyone who wants an unadulterated smoker pellet. At number 3, we have the Traeger Premium Hardwood Pellets. As the original pellet grill manufacturers, you can trust that Traeger know what they're doing when it comes to the pellets used to run them. Made from 100% natural hardwoods with no binding agents or fillers, they're full of flavor while being clean burning, low ash, and a great producer of that ideal, thin blue smoke. There's a decent range of different varieties to choose from, with their signature being the most popular. But, what I really do love about Traeger pellets is that they're sustainably sourced in the USA from virgin hardwood sawdust that's then compressed using a special pelletization process that's known to be the gold standard of pellet production. Keep in mind that although all Traeger hardwood pellets are indeed 100% hardwood, it's not necessarily 100% cherry, mesquite, or apple in that bag of pellets. To improve heat production, Traeger supposedly do mix woods to create a product that will consistently perform well, hitting both low and slow temperatures as well as the high heat you need for great grilling. It's hard to find a heap of information about the exact breakdown of their mixes. But, Traeger pellets are widely loved, we've been using them for years, and they really do perform very well. At number 2, we have the Pit Boss Hardwood Pellet Blends. Another of our regular go-to smoking pellets is this, Pit Boss's range of hardwood blends. They're usually significantly cheaper than a lot of the competition, but the quality is still right on up there. They're advertised as blends, but if you read about the Bear Mountain and Traeger pellets above, you'll know they're not 100% purely what the front say they are either, and for a good reason. So, what you're getting is the flavor of the hardwood on the front, mixed with a base wood that provides a steady and reliable burn at all temperatures. There's still absolutely no fillers, oils, artificial flavors, glues, or chemicals, just true hardwoods for real wood flavor. The flavor is great, ash production is low, and we've never had any issues with heat after using Pit Boss pellets regularly for years. And finally at number 1, we have the Recttech Ultimate Premium Hardwood Grilling Cooking Pellet. Recttech stand behind their high-quality, premium grills. And, their hardwood pellets are equally as good. They're all natural with no fillers, binders, or preservatives. They're upfront about what's in them. And, Recttech actually test and measure their ash production, which seemed about right to us at the claimed 1%. The Recttech Ultimate Blend is their original and most popular product. We found it to be nice and dense, burning well at all temperatures while producing a great flavor that's typical of your southern styles of barbecue. Compared to other pellets on the market, we've always found Recttechs to have one of the lowest levels of sawdust at the bottom of the packet too. But, they can be hard to get your hands on at times. What is there usually gets snapped up pretty quickly.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.